Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Philips Oneblade face and body trimmer and shaver. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this video. So how to use this unit right here, which is the Philips Oneblade face and body shaver and trimmer, because it allows you to shave, okay, like that, and it also allows you to trim when you attach attachments like this. So how to use it, really easy. I'm going to go over the basics. First and foremost, how to charge the unit. Very straightforward, but I figured I would explain it anyways. Firstly, because it is super easy to do, you want to plug this end. Obviously it comes with a charger, so you want to plug this end into the unit. Make sure it's the right orientation, because if it's the wrong way, it won't get plugged in. You need to orient it properly. Plug it in, okay? And then plug this end into the wall outlet. Very simple. If it's charging, the light over here will illuminate. You're good to go. I think it flashes, if I remember correctly, but either way, you're gonna see some indication that it is charging, okay? So that's how to charge it. Really simple. How to turn it on and off. There's a button right here, and you press it once, turns it on, you press it again, turns it off. The run time when it's fully charged is about 60 minutes, which is fantastic. And that's what it said on the packaging. Sorry about that. And from my experience, it seems to be basically true. You get about 60 minutes runtime when it's fully charged. Now, as a safety precaution, when it's plugged in, charging, it will not turn on. So if it's plugged into the wall and you press this button, it won't turn on, as a safety precaution, obviously. Just so you know, in case you're wondering why it's not working, if you're trying to use it when it's plugged in, okay? Very simple. So that's how to turn it on and off, how to charge it. Excuse me. I should add some water before I started making this video. My mouth is dry and I have gas because I just finished eating a whole big lunch right now. I had a whole big massive lunch, a massive sandwich. It was delicious, but I'm a mess. Anyways, we're going to continue moving forward. So how to change the actual shaver. There's a little button right here. You want to press it up like this, okay, and pull this off. Be careful, obviously, grab it by the sides because you don't want to have any sharpness on you. And to replace it, I have new ones here. You know what? They're in the bag. I'm going to get them out. So I'm going to get a new one out. I'll put this one in the bag, and I'll get a new one out over here. This is a new one, although they're both new anyways, basically. I barely use that other one. But basically, you're going to put it back in, just align it properly. It only goes in one orientation once again. Align it properly and press it in there, and you're good to go. Once again, to remove it, you just press this button up, pull it out. To put it back in, you put it back in place, and then press it inwards, just like that. And there's not really a clicking sound. It's just, if you push it in all the way, you know you're good to go, okay? So we've covered how to charge it, how to turn it on and off, a few troubleshooting things if you're trying to use it when it's plugged in, how to change the blade, now how to attach the attachments. So it comes with various attachments to trim and so forth, and essentially you want to take the attachment and just press it onto the head of the shaver right there, and you've now attached the trimmer attachment, okay? There are a few other attachments that you can use as well. Like this one allows you to go in either direction. It's unidirectional, bidirectional, unidirectional, whatever you want to call it, whereas this one you only use in one direction. So to use it to trim your face, you have a trimmer attachment attached to it. Okay, I'll show you how to trim, shave, and edge. So to trim your face, you have a trimmer attachment. You want to turn it on like this, and then let the teeth of the trimmer guide it, okay? And just go ahead like this, nice and softly against your face, and you will trim the facial hair. Very simple, easy to do. If you want to shave, remove the trimmer attachment. Make sure you have just the bare blade over here. And what you want to do is, after you've turned it on, I'll show you, you want to basically place it flat against your face like this, and just go against your facial hair, and it will shave your facial hair down to skin level. You can use it with like shaving cream on your face, or just blank, like just dry blank. That doesn't even make sense. Or just dry like this. So turn it on, flat against your face, and you could just go ahead and shave down to skin level like that. Really easy to do. I was very tempted to shave my unibrow in this video, but I was like, later. Right now it's my lunch break, so I don't want to tempt fate and mess it up, and then I got to work the rest of the day with half an eyebrow on this side. So I'd rather not do that, but definitely I was tempted to do it. Okay, now lastly, how to edge. So if you want to edge and create like a nice lineup for like a goatee or a beard or anything like that, you want to turn it on, and then you want to just gently bring that edge down to wherever you want to trim it. So just like this, turn it on and just gently bring the edge down. I have just the edge over here touching my skin, just the edge. I want to line it up like that, and I could go and I could do my lineup of however I wanted to line it up. That's how to edge your facial hair. And that is essentially, whoa, that truck, that FedEx ground truck scared me. Sorry, my heart's racing. Anyways, that's how to use it. I've basically covered all the aspects of it, from basic usage like charging it, turning it on and off and stuff, to actually using it to like trim your facial hair. So you can shave, you can edge, and then you can attach one of the trimmer attachments, and then you can trim your facial hair as well. Whatever you want to do. That's essentially it. You know, my ear hairs actually, this is probably what I can do. My ear hairs are pretty long right now, so I can even just use it to just go ahead and clean up my ear hairs right now. Really, really useful, super useful. Check this out. So right now, literally within like 30 seconds, I've now cleaned up my ear hairs, and you know what? I can hear better. No, I'm just kidding. I can't hear better. The reason my voice is so loud is because I've been playing the drums my whole life without earmuffs. So, you know, my hearing is like not that great. Although for some reason I can hear the faintest of sounds. I have trouble hearing regular sounds, but like extremely faint sounds, like a water droplet that no one else can hear, I can hear for some reason. A hissing sound, anything like that. So when it comes to safety, I'm number one, because I can hear all those little sounds that no one else hears. Anyways, I've gone off on a tangent here. That is how to use the Philips Oneblade face and body shaver and trimmer, a full tutorial, and that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.